Okay, so it's Joseph Gallegos, Grapefruit Green. We're underneath the house of a client. We've been asked a lot about how to do the underneath the house connections. So this video is all about that. And this is continuation of stuff that we've already explained earlier, but now that we're here, we're going to do it one more time. This is the current trap of the shower. This is what they call the trap area right here. It's where they captures water, traps water to prevent sewer gases from coming back up into the house. And this is the bottom of the shower on this section right here. What we're going to do is we're going to cut right here, and we're going to cut right here, and then we're going to twist this trap to face outward. But also we're going to take out a big section of this pipe so that we can move it up higher, and we're going to insert this gate valve in there so that we can, and then this handle is going to extend to the exterior of the house, as well as the pipe, the Greywater pipe is going to go to the exterior of the house. So now when they want to go to the sewer, they pull it out, and then all the sewer water comes down and goes into the sewer. It's actually placed like that. And when they close it, it'll back up and the Greywater will go out into the yard. So, and then the sewer to continue, if when it comes in the sewer, it's open, it comes out this way and will come back into the regular sewer line right here. So the only thing you're going to see on the outside of the house is the Greywater pipe and the handle. So here we're going to start. Close that right there. Got the saw. Handy Sawzall. Now, with all sewer pipes, you don't have to worry about any types of pressurization. The only thing to worry about is if somebody's taking a shower upstairs. Okay, now the water's in the trap, so I'm going to empty out the water. Voila. And now that I have this cut off, I'm going to cut off a bigger section up here on the top. Let me see if I get my saw in there. Okay. So I already calculated I need to take off a total of 7 inches. So I took off this piece and this piece. And if I measure down, looks like we might have to move this trap right here. So that's not going to work right. What do you think about that? Yeah. Now, eventually this is going to go in this direction. Let's see how high I can get it up though. I'm right at this B. This is as high as I can get because of this pipe right here. So it's limited to me to the height. But also the outside is right too. I need to be able to get this pipe to the exterior of the house. So that's going to allow me to cut up to right about there so I can get to the exterior of the house. Because I have a 4x4 right here. You got to clean the edge of, if you don't clean the edge of the pipe, we typically have a piece of cloth here, is that what's going to happen is that the barbs of the pipe you just cut are going to capture the hair, and it's going to start accumulating hair. So we clean that barb. Now, this section. So as you notice, cutting the sewer pipe is not a problem because you don't have water flowing all over the place. So that's good. I'm attaching those two pieces temporarily. So that we can kind of get an idea of where we're at. And now we're looking to extend outwards to the outside area. Now, come under here. Okay. So now we're going to drill a hole to the exterior so we can run our pipe out there and we can line it up to this one right here. And then what we're going to do is we're going to put this up here before that pipe gets extended all the way out. And that's going to be our shutoff valve. And then this bottom section right here is going to flow back to the sewer.
Click on the description below to find out where to buy the products. We also have links to instructions to how to build a Greywater system. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and like this video. We would also love to hear your questions and also share how you prevent climate change. Put those in the comment section as well.